How many people are leaving your site right now because of a poor user experience? Do you know why they're leaving and how to fix it? Hotjar session recordings can help. Session recordings are playbacks of real people interacting with your site, and they're kind of a secret weapon for online businesses. You can see things like what users click on, how they move their mouse, and what they ignore. Session recordings also help you spot areas of frustration, like bugs or a broken button, for example. You don't have to wait for users to send in complaints. Instead, you can see for yourself and fix bugs proactively. Did they navigate erratically before exiting? Did they miss an important link? Did they encounter a bug? Answer these questions and you'll know exactly what to improve on your site to give people the best user experience possible. In only a few clicks, you can start using session recordings yourself. Try Hotjar for free.